SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, is a smart and disciplined way to invest regularly in mutual funds. Under SIP, an investor contributes a fixed amount at regular intervals, usually monthly, but it can also be weekly or quarterly, into a chosen mutual fund scheme, most commonly equity, hybrid, or even debt funds depending on one's goal and risk profile. Rather than making a one-time lump sum investment, SIP promotes gradual wealth accumulation by spreading investments over time. This approach helps investors stay consistent and reduces the stress of trying to time the market, which even seasoned investors struggle to do accurately. One of the biggest advantages of SIP is that it brings financial discipline, allowing investors to allocate a small portion of their income every month toward wealth creation. SIP also helps in rupee cost averaging, where more units are bought when the market is low and fewer when the market is high, effectively averaging the purchase price over time. Additionally, SIPs benefit from the power of compounding, where the returns generated on the investment begin to earn returns themselves, accelerating wealth growth if continued for the long term. SIP is particularly well suited for salaried individuals, professionals, and first-time investors who may not have large capital to invest at once, but can commit to a regular investment habit over time. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more informative and helpful content for you.